Good evening, Sister Manikam.
Good evening, sir.
How are you and how is everything?
Thank you, I am fine.
Thank you. Okay, we are here to take certain insight of St. Joseph's Hospital, Mednipur. And I would like to ask you as to your role in this particular hospital and what you do to help the hospital.
Yeah, what I will start, I don't know. I came as a patient here. I treated for TB patient. As a TB patient, I treated here. And 6 months I supposed to take the course. That's called DOTS. So I started here. I remained here. Hospital looked after me very well. And after 1 year, 1 month, sorry. After 1 month, I was feeling very jobless. Alone, I was in the room and I was doing nothing. So I requested to look after the girls, nursing girls. So I was very happy to look after them because I was in no job. Simply I was taking food and remaining and the medicine I was taking rest. So I was very happy to look after the girls. Those who came, the first only started the nursing classes and hostel. So I was looking after the girls. After 2-3 years, I started slowly I started to work on the all around, here and there. I was looking after different sections and also the gardening and so small things I was looking after. And after that I pushed in the office to look after the care section and the programs. There are 2 programs I look after now at present. One is called RSBI, Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana, and other one is ESI, that is ESI, Employer State Insurance Company. So these 2 programs now I am working. This is especially for the poor and needy people, those who are working in different factories or some other companies. So they come here for treatment. I help them how to get free treatment. And the RSBI, what is the government is giving 30,000 for each family, maybe 5 of their members. So they come here. Some of them they do not know how to go, where to go, what to do with that card. So I help them and I make them to admit here and get treatment.
This is a very big job that you're doing. It's a very important job.
Yeah, that is very important job. But I don't know how much I am able to do. But I am trying my best to bring the patient here, those who are under RSBI, until they do not know the facilities here. So I am happy to do this job.
Please tell us something about St. Joseph's Hospital, Mednipur, and the people with whom you work.
This St. Joseph, I am working here around 4 years. In the beginning, or most of the beginning, it's maybe after 3-4 months I joined. So from there I am seeing the development of what was before and now. Before there was maybe we were waiting for the patient, maybe 10 patient, 12 patient per day, and we were very happy at least 10 patient. How many patient we every day used to count the patient, number of patient. But now it is uncountable. So many patients they come and go. We can't count countless. That means average maybe 100% patient comes per day. And many doctors now coming. Before only 2-3 doctors were there. Now all the departments, most of the departments are open. Eye section, dental, and physiotherapy, gyno section, and surgical, medical, and all other sections are open. Also many people are coming, especially the neuro department also we started. Many people are coming for neuro treatment here. And I feel better when people come and ask us help, in the sense where to go, what to do, how to book and all these things. So it is very Nice to have here the hospital, Midnapur St. Joseph Hospital, as a Christian hospital here. Many hospitals in the Midnapur, but people go there, but they are not happy because the people behave a little different from other hospital. St. Joseph is a little different from other hospital. Here the place is neat and clean, and those who are working, they cooperate with the patient and they talk with patient with love they speak, and they do the work with patience.
Thank you, sister. Thank you very much for your time. I wish you all the very best.
Thank you very much.